Hello everyone, welcome to Trending India Products. I'm going to unbox and review the Provogue Day and Date Analog Watch. Okay, let's unbox this and check the product. Box feels good, but it's of cardboard, guys. Warranty card. It says 1 year warranty, but in Flipkart it says 6 months warranty only. Here is the main product. I bought this watch for 450 rupees in Flipkart. This watch has day and date function, both are functional. I'm amazed for these features to have within the budget of 450 rupees. To adjust this date and day, there are 3 positions of the crown: in position, middle position, out position. To adjust time, need to pull the crown out position and adjust. To change the day and date, we need to set the crown in middle position. For day change, rotate the crown in clockwise direction. As you can see, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, like that. To change the dates, we need to rotate the crown in anti-clockwise direction in middle position itself. As you can see, now it is set to 20, it is moving around, and 30, 31, and again I'll change it back to 20 as today is 20th October. That's it. Yeah, let's also correct the time. It's 10:18. Yes, it's a good watch, guys, in the budget of 450 rupees. Dial look premium and strap quality is really good. As the day and date functions are working fine, I liked it. Overall, it's a good purchase, guys. That's it, guys, about this product. Flipkart link provided in the description. Do check it out. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.